Say hi, Peter. I'm filming you. Okay, Peter, let's show everyone how you like your balls. Your soccer ball. Are you want to get your basketball instead? Peter, look. Go get your soccer ball. Go get it. Go get it. Go get your soccer ball, buddy. It's right over there. Did you just see your daddy? Yeah, go get it. Peter's crawling very well these days. And he pulls up on things. Did you get your soccer ball? Did you get your soccer ball? Uh-huh. Yeah, go get it, go get it. There he goes. He loves sort of throwing the soccer ball around and then chasing after it. That's also a favorite spot of his, where he practices standing. And that's about it. Hey, Peter. Peter. Hey, buddy. Come back this way.